Hello everyone, welcome to Morningmate. My name is Kate, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the 5 status buttons to track progress of your tasks and how this changes everything when it comes to assigning tasks for your teammates. Let's get started. So let's say before, I'm going to use a personal case, when you were requesting a translation of a file, you would have to contact that person via WhatsApp or email. Let's say if it was email, you contact that person and then you wait for that person to answer to you and give you a positive reply and say, yes, I am available to translate this file for you. Then you will send another additional email speaking about the details of this translation, the type of language that you want to use. Then you will send another email attaching the file. And then the person will confirm that they started working on this task, and you wouldn't really know how the progress is going. You would have to send them another email, maybe a couple of hours later, maybe a day later. Maybe that person didn't really respond. Maybe you're getting a little bit anxious. Maybe you don't know where things are. And then next day, that person replies to you and says that she had an issue, or she would like some feedback and starts pointing out the points that she's having problems with. And then you will send another email, and then the file may actually get lost. So you can see how this process is very complex, and sometimes this communication inefficiencies can cause a lot of delay. But I would really like to show you how you can create tasks and track its progress live and know what is going on at all times. So I'm going to show you an example of a task that was created. Henry Lee was the person who was assigning this task. As you can see, it was assigned to me and to a teammate. And what we had to do is to translate this text right here. As you can see, this task was divided into 2 subtasks. When I had to make a Spanish translation of this text, as you can see, everything was recorded on the comments. So every collaboration, everything happens through the same post, and we all get notified. That way, Henry knows that when I accepted this subtask, it went from request to progress, and I started working on it. When I moved the percentage bar, he knew exactly which part of the progress I'm at. If I had any issues, I could just write a comment, write about it in the comments, and get a feedback directly, either from Henry or maybe I needed assistance from my other teammates. And everything would be written and recorded here so that everybody could see. And then once I have completed the task, I asked for feedback so that Henry can go through it and approve that the task has been completed. And as you can see, this facilitated my subtask, facilitated the progress of the overall mother task. And that way, the 3 of us participating in this task can see the progress in the comments below. So nothing really gets lost. You have the access to the original file right here. You have all of the feedbacks, all of the comments, every single correction that you need to make recorded right on the comments. And once this task is ready, all we have to do is click complete, and the 3 of us and all the participants of the project that maybe are counting on these files will be notified that the file is ready and it's ready to use. So I hope this video really helped you. I hope that you can see all of the benefits of using this system, how it simplifies and makes everything so much more agile and transparent. And I think transparency is one of the greatest benefits of this task tool. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I really hope to see you on the next one. Bye-bye.